Justin Deseck here, back in East London today with a beautiful two-story home with almost 2,000 square feet of above-grade living space, 3 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, detached garage. You're gonna love this place. Let's go check it out. So as soon as you step inside here, I'm sure you're gonna realize how much you'd love to call this place home. There's a nice open concept. There's a vaulted ceiling, loads of natural light pouring in with your California shutters as an option, cozy fireplace, large dining space. Let's see what else this home has to offer. If you're like most home buyers, the kitchen is a very important part of the decision-making process. Here, you're gonna find an open concept with easy access to your backyard for entertaining friends and family. You're also gonna find loads of counter space, natural light, stainless steel appliances, and more. So the list of features and benefits here in this home just keep coming. We have a double car attached garage that's been converted into a work from home space. So if you've got an office or a home-based business that you want to utilize this space, this house is for you. So here we are now in the upper level of this beautiful home. Upstairs, you'll find 3 generous sized bedrooms, 2nd floor laundry, loads of storage space. Your primary bedroom will have a cheater door to the full bathroom, as well as a walk-in closet, vaulted ceilings, and loads of room for your king-size bed. So here we are now in the lower level, and whether or not you want to set this up as a fitness center like we've got right now, or a rec room, that'll be totally up to you. The one thing I will point out is we've got a great ceiling clearance down here, another full bathroom, and we're already set up for a bar if you love entertaining as well. Let's go check out what the rest of this home has to offer outside, featuring the detached garage. So here we are out back in your big, beautiful backyard. You've got a composite deck, a gas line set up for your barbecue, a beautiful pond to enjoy through the summer months, and a natural setting that is very hard to find in London, Ontario. Out back, we also feature a detached garage, which is 800 square feet. It's got heat, it's got some plumbing. Not to mention, this location is very, very close to shopping, schools. If I can help you get through this house, don't hesitate to reach out. Justin Deseck, London, Ontario Realtor. Bye for now.